Hello.
Green.
Okay. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now let us start fourth problem, I think so.
Yes.
So that has not been saved the previous class due to poor failure. Sine 48, secant 42 plus cos 48 cosecant 42 degrees. First option is 0. Second option is 2. Third option 1. Fourth option -1. This is the question. See, change this sec 42 in terms of cosec, sec. Change cosec 42 in terms of sec. Then you will get the answer. You see, now this sec 42, so I will write like this. Sec of 90 degrees minus 48. So what is the value of 90 degrees minus 48? You check. 90 minus
Cosec 48.
90 minus 48 is 42 only.
42.
Yes, this is sec 90 minus A is cosec. That means you can get cosec 48 degrees equivalent to. So now let us change cosec 42 degrees. Cosec 42 degrees is cosec 90 degrees minus 48 you can write. This is sec 48 degrees. Now go to this problem. Now this problem becomes, we can have, say, let us write given expression. Given expression is equal to sine 48 into sec 42 means cosec 48 plus cos 48 into sec 48. So from basic trigonometry, we know that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please admit Sai Chandrika?
Sai Chandrika is not, she's not there, Nana.
Sir, meeting is logged. They say me that the meeting is logged, sir.
What can I do now?
Can you unlock the meeting?
Where shall I do it now? That is chart, pause, stop recording, meeting, and optimize. యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి దీంట్లో లేరు అన్లాక్ చేసుకోవాలి ఎట్లా ఎట్లా మరి లింక్ కొట్టి జాయిన్ కామనమ్మా
Sir, screen is not visible.
Visible, sir.
Okay, screen is visible to you.
Sir, one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now sec theta is equal to, you can write 1 upon cos theta. So now this can be written sine 48 degrees instead of cosec 1 upon sine 48 degrees plus, do you expect what is the answer you will get it now?
2.
So let us try.
2.
Yes. So now sine 48 will cancel. Cos 48 will cancel. So 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. Second option is the right option. Have you got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fifth one. Log of tan of 17 degrees plus log of tan of 37 degrees plus log of tan of 53 degrees plus log of tan of 73 degrees. First 0, second 1, third 2, fourth 3. So what is the answer? So logarithms completed for you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
So we have this formula. Log A plus log B plus log C plus log D. So this can be expressed as a single logarithm. This we can write log of A into B into C into D we can write. First this concept. So now
Sir, there D, sir.
okay. Right. Now the given expression we can write log of tan 17 degrees, tan 37 degrees, tan 53 degrees into tan 73 degrees. So I will tell you one logic. So what is the logic means? Tan A into tan B, because AB are different angles, equals to 1. If you observe that A plus B is equal to 90. Clear? Add these two angles. If you get 90, then product of the two tangents we can write 1. Now take this first one and last one. What is the sum of 73 into 7? 73 and 17?
90, sir.
So tan 17 into tan 73, how much you can write?
1.
1. Okay. So now you check this 53 plus 37.
80 degrees.
53 plus 37. Add these two.
Degrees.
53 plus 37. 53
90.
plus 37. 90. So that means now this we can write like this. Log of tan 17.
Can you admit Akshay?
Tan 73 into tan 17 multiplied with tan 53 into tan 37 you can write. So these two satisfy this formula. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90. So this is 1, this is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Logarithm of 1. Logarithm of 1 to any base is always 0. Answer is 0.
Sir, can you admit Sai Chandrika?
How can I admit her? I'm not able to get it now. Shall I close the session and can come?
Sir, meeting is
Huh?
Akshara.
I'm not able to. Wait. Auto expect to give more delay. Huh? Dinesh, Sindhu, Jamuna, Asita, Rishika, Srinidhi is there. Okay. Disable, hide names. I'll make you one of you host. Can you add them?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. इतला host से कर दे. 1 minute, 1 minute. Sindhu, who is Sindhu?
Yes.
Now you are the host. You join her. Have you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you added?
Sir, brother Dinesh know how to join.
That's only. Today leave it. Tomorrow we shall try. Okay. So you take the screenshots, forward to her. Cos 24 degrees. Make me host. Cos 24, cos 55 plus
No.
cos 125 plus cos 204 degrees equals to first option -1, second option is 0, third option 1, fourth option 2. Okay. Here, what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. That's enough. That is the logic here we have. Let me give the logic here. What is the logic behind this problem? See, this cos A plus cos B equals to 0 we can write without applying any formula, provided if A plus B is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. So now sum of these two becomes 0. So that means given expression becomes like this. Cos 24, sum of these two is cos A plus cos B is equal to 0 if A plus B is equal to 180. Because 125 plus 55 is 180, so plus 0 we can write. Cos 204, the cos 204 we can write 180 degrees plus 24. Can I write like this? And also we have one more formula, cos 180 degrees plus A or theta is minus cos theta. Now this can be written cos 24 degrees minus cos 24. Cos 24 minus cos 24 will cancel out. We get 0. Second option is the right option.
Sir, one show fast.
This is first page.
Okay, sir.
This is second page. This is
Okay, sir.
Third.
seventh question.
Third page. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sec A plus tan A equals to 3. Then sec A is equal to. This is the question. First one is 10 upon 3. Second one is 5 upon 3. Third one is 2 upon 3. Fourth one is 4 upon 3. Can you try this question? Okay. So what is given here actually? Sec A plus tan A is equal to 3. Say equation 1. So we have a formula. Sec A minus tan A is equal to 1 upon sec A plus tan A. So 1 upon 3. This is equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So that means adding tan A cancel, sec A plus sec A, 2 sec A is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3. This is equal to LCM 3, 9 plus 1. This will be 10 upon 3. We need sec A. Sec A is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with 10 upon 3. This will be 5 upon 3 is our answer. Second option is the right option. Do you want easy method? More easy method? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You want easy method? Okay, let me explain. That is short method. Don't say shortcut. Short method. So what is the short method means? If sec A plus tan A is equal to something P, then I'll give 3 formulae. Sec A is equal to P square plus 1 by 2P. Second formula, tan A is equal to P square minus 1 by 2P. For example, you want sin A. Sin A is equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Now tell me, what is the value of P here? What is the value
3.
of P? P is 3. Substitute P is equal to 3. So we get sec A is equal to P square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2 into 3. So that is 10 upon 2 into 3. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. What is our answer?
5 by 3.
5 by 3.
5 by 3.
5 by 3. But at early stage, better you practice the method. This is the original method. Generally, these are the shortcuts. We are called shortcuts. Right. Next now, 8th question. If sec theta minus tan theta equals to 3, then theta lies in the quadrant. In the quadrant. That means in which quadrant does theta lie? That is the question. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So that means from this we need to find out, first of all, our plan is find cos theta and next sin theta. So value is not important, sign is important. Whether cos theta is plus or minus, whether sin theta is plus or minus, then you if you just are able to find out the signs of cos theta and sin theta, we can easily say where does theta lie. Okay, first let us go for the solution of here. I'm writing directly. Sec theta minus tan theta is given that 3, equation 1. So directly we can write sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta is reciprocal of sec theta minus tan theta, that is 1 upon 3. First adding, directly adding, tan cancel. 2 sec theta is equal to, you get
10 by 3.
10 by 3. Sec theta is equal to 5 upon 3. Cos theta is equal to reciprocal of sec, 3 by 5. Am I correct?
3 by 4.
This is cos theta is positive. Am I correct? What is the sign you can find here? Cos theta is positive. So now this time you do one thing. Apply 2 minus 1. That means from 2 subtract 1. Sec theta cancel, tan theta plus tan theta. That becomes 2 tan theta equals
Is equal to minus 8 by 3.
minus 3. That will be minus 8 by 3. So tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So now find sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, we have the formula, tan theta by sec theta. So tan theta is minus 4 upon 3. Sec
3
theta
by
is 4 upon 3.
5 by 3.
3 cancel. So that is
Minus
minus 4 by 5. So that means here see sin theta is negative. Sin theta is negative. Cos theta is positive. In which quadrant does it happen? So now the quadrant you take it. Quadrant you take it. This is all silver tea cups.
After school to
After
Fourth
school
quadrant.
college, add sugar to
Fourth
coffee.
quadrant, sir.
That means see here cos is positive. Sin is negative. So
negative.
that means theta lies which quadrant now? First, 2, 3,
Fourth.
fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant, sir. In fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. For example, if sin is positive, cos is negative. Which quadrant now? Tell me.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Quadrant not, sir. Second
Second
quadrant.
quadrant. Second quadrant. For example, sin is minus, cos is minus, both. That means
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Sin is positive, cos is
First
positive.
quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
Sin is negative, cos is positive. This is first,
Fourth quadrant.
this is second, this is third, this is fourth.
Third.
Fourth. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So slowly we will develop the standards. Sin 10 degrees plus sin 20 degrees sin 30 degrees, sin 40 degrees, sin 360 degrees. First option 0, second option 1, third option -1, fourth option 2. So this problem seems to be very lengthy but very logical. If you know the logic, the problem becomes very simple. So I will give the logic of this problem.
Convert sine to cos.
So I will give the logic problem. What is the logic? Sin A plus sin B is equal to 0 if A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. Right? So now see this question I will write like this. Sin 10 degrees plus sin 20 plus sine 30 and so on, sine 350 plus sine 360, except last sine 360 leave. See, sine 350 plus sine 10. You see 350 plus 10 is how much? 360. Like that, before that is sine 340. Sine 340 plus 20. So
Sine.
we can write like this also. Let me write. Sine 10, sine 20, sine 30, and so on dash dash, sine 340 plus sine 350 plus sine 360. Right. See, sine 350 plus sine 10, sine 340 plus sine 20. Before that, sine 330 plus that one. Every term becomes 0, 0, 0. This becomes 0 plus sine 360. But you remember, sine 360 is, we can write it as sine 2 pi. Am I correct? Can I write?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
One more thing. One standard result you remember, sine n pi is 0. That means not only 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 0. So this is 0. So this is also 0. So what is the answer?
Zero.
No.
First option. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You did not expand all. Simply by observation you can say. Sine 350 plus sine 10 is 0. Sine 340 plus sine 20 is 0. Before that, sine 330 plus sine 30 is 0. Like that, all the two combinations you will get it. Most of them is zeros itself only. Only sine 360 remains. That also by concept of sine n pi 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. So let us do last problem today. Three times sin x minus cos x whole to the power of 4 plus 6 times sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 times sin x to the power of 6 plus cos x to the power of 6 equals to first option 3, second option 6, third 4th, fourth 13. Okay, here what is the first option?
3, sir.
What is the second
3.
option?
6.
What is the third option?
4.
What is the last option?
13.
Any observation is there?
3 is first one, sir. 6 is
3
second
plus
one.
second one, 4 is
All
third
addition
one.
30.
4th, 13th.
The sum of the three numbers is
13. So what will be the expected answer?
13, sir.
Yes,
30.
is right. Okay, I will tell you one clue also. See, in the question we have sin x cos x, but in the answer we don't have x, only constant fixed number. Am I correct? That is the first observation we need to make. As the options are independent of, so observation let us write. As options are independent of x. That means they do not depend on the values of x. That means we can choose x value anything. Put x is equal to 0 degrees in the option. See, what do you get now? Given expression, you see, 3 times it becomes sine 0, 0 minus cos 0, 1 power 4 plus 6 times sine 0, 0 plus cos 0, 1, 1 square plus 4 times sine 0 power 6, 0 cos 0, 1 power 6, 1. 3 times minus 1 to the power of 4, 1 only. 6 times 1 plus 4 times 1. So answer is 3 plus 6 plus 4.
13, sir.
Yes. In trigonometry, these kind of observations should be made. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతున్నాయా MCQs?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఫస్ట్ టైం చేయడం ఎప్పుడైనా చేశారా?
First time, sir.
So generally in MCQs, these kind of strategies need to be followed. So ఇలాంటి strategies we need to develop. Slowగా వస్తుంది, don't worry. So I will introduce you all these strategies. Okay, now 10 problems, okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some more interesting problems. Right, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.